This is just an informative message on properly identifying defendants in accidental work cases and personal injury cases. In other words, who is responsible for your injuries. Sometimes you might be unaware as to who will be paying damages upon the successful verdict of your personal injury claim. Sometimes this can be very straightforward. For example, if you are injured on your work premises, you would sue your employer, who may appoint an insurance company. However, oftentimes this is more complicated, especially when it involves multiple defendants, and this can cause confusion and uncertainty surrounding who is at fault. For example, this could be a problem on a large building site. On a large building site, we may have main contractors, subcontractors, and health and safety groups. Responsibility would need to be carefully explored here in order to identify who is at fault, as oftentimes all three defendants may be at fault. Another example is tripping and falling in public places. In this situation, we would need to identify where the accident occurred and who the location belonged to. These sometimes can belong to Northern Ireland Water, the council, or even private property. In these situations listed above, what we would do in these situations is issue a bullet letter to all three defendants, or two defendants, however many there are, and it is up to them defendants then to apportion the blame amongst themselves. And then before we get involved, hopefully this is resolved. And just so you know that if you're unaware, if your accident doesn't occur at work, it can occur in a public place, and this is when more than one defendant can be involved.